Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to turn on and off keyboard vibration on any HyperOS phone. Now to do that, just open the keyboard on your smartphone. Now from here just tap on the settings icon. Now from here tap on preferences. Now from here scroll down. Now from here to turn off the keyboard vibration, just disable this option. Just like that. Now, to turn on the keyboard vibration on your HyperOS phone, just tap on this settings icon. Now from here, tap on preferences. Now from here, scroll down and make sure you enable haptic feedback on key press. Now from here, go back. Now as you can see, this is how you can turn on and off keyboard vibration on any HyperOS phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.